The Tupolev Tu-160, often known by its NATO codename Blackjack, is one of the most awe-inspiring and strategically significant aircraft in the world. A product of Cold War ambitions and modern engineering, the Tu-160 stands as the largest and heaviest supersonic military aircraft ever built and remains an icon of Russian aerial might. The modernized version, commonly referred to as the Tu-160M or Tu-160V.2, represents a powerful evolution of the original Cold War-era bomber, equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, upgraded engines, and a range of advanced technologies designed to extend its relevance step into the 21st century. The story of the Tu-160 begins in the 1970s, when the Soviet Union initiated plans for a new strategic bomber capable of penetrating NATO defenses and delivering nuclear payloads with speed and precision. This aircraft needed to be faster, larger, and more sophisticated than anything in the existing Soviet arsenal. The result was the Tu-160A, a sleek, powerful machine with variable sweep wings, four massive afterburning turbofan engines, and an imposing presence both in the sky and on radar. When it first flew in 1981, it was immediately recognized as a symbol of Soviet ingenuity and military ambition. Unlike the American B-1B Lancer, with which it is often compared, the Tu-160 was not designed primarily for low-level penetration. Instead, it was built to cruise at high altitudes and deliver its payload from standoff ranges using long-range cruise missiles. Its massive Nk-32 engines allow it to reach speeds over Mach 2, an incredible feat for such a large aircraft. The bomber's variable geometry wings enable it to optimize performance across a wide range of speeds and altitudes, offering a unique blend of speed, range, and payload capacity. Throughout the late 1980s and early 1990s, the Tu-160 was deployed in limited numbers, with only about 3 dozen built before the collapse of the Soviet Union. Several were stationed in Ukraine after the dissolution of the USSR, and many were later returned to Russia or dismantled. By the early 2000s, Russia was left with a small but potent fleet of these bombers, which became a key element of its strategic deterrence capability. As time passed and the original airframes aged, the need for modernization became clear. In response, Russia launched a significant upgrade program to create the Tu-160M, or as some refer to it, the Tu-160V.2. This second version of the Blackjack features not just minor tweaks, but a comprehensive overhaul of nearly every critical system on board. The Tu-160M integrates modern avionics, a digital glass cockpit, updated navigation and communication systems, and a new electronic warfare suite designed to defeat contemporary air defense systems. One of the most significant improvements in the Tu-160M is the re-engineering of its power plant. The aircraft is now powered by upgraded Nk-3202 engines, which are more fuel efficient and provide extended range compared to their predecessors. These new engines also reduce the aircraft's infrared signature, making it less vulnerable to heat-seeking missiles. This propulsion upgrade alone is expected to extend the bomber's service life by several decades. The Tu-160M is also designed to carry a new generation of weaponry. In addition to traditional nuclear cruise missiles like the Kh-55 and its variants, the upgraded bomber is compatible with the Kh-101 and Kh-102A advanced long-range cruise missiles that feature reduced radar cross-section and precision guidance. These missiles dramatically enhance the Tu-160's strike capabilities, allowing it to hit strategic targets from thousands of kilometers away without ever entering contested airspace. The addition of hypersonic missile capabilities in future variants has also been discussed, further increasing the platform's relevance in modern warfare. Beyond weapons and propulsion, the Tu-160M benefits from improved radar systems and situational awareness tools, including enhanced synthetic aperture radar and advanced targeting systems. These upgrades give the aircraft better ability to navigate complex environments, avoid threats, and execute missions with greater precision. In a world of rapidly evolving aerial threats, these enhancements are crucial for the bomber's survivability and effectiveness. The production of new airframes has also been restarted under the 2160M2 designation, which includes both modernized existing aircraft and brand new bombers built from scratch at the Kazan Aircraft Production Association (KAPO) plant. The decision to restart production underscores the Russian government's commitment to maintaining a robust strategic bomber fleet, especially in the face of growing tensions with NATO and the modernization of the U.S. nuclear triad. Russia's renewed investment in the Tu-160 program also serves as a powerful message to the world. The Blackjack is more than just a bomber, it is a statement of technological capability, industrial resilience, and strategic intent. The sight of these aircraft flying over Red Square or conducting long-range patrols near NATO airspace serves as a vivid reminder of Russia's military reach and readiness. Operationally, the Tu-160M plays a critical role in Russia's strategic doctrine. Capable of launching strikes from far outside the range of most air defenses, it acts as both a nuclear deterrent and a conventional precision strike platform. In recent years, Tu-160s have been used in combat roles, including during the Russian intervention in Syria, where they launched cruise missile strikes against terrorist targets. These missions demonstrated not only the aircraft's potency but also Russia's willingness to project force beyond its borders. Critics have pointed out that the Tu-160, even in its upgraded form, represents an older approach to strategic bombing, especially when compared to stealth bombers like the American B-2 Spirit or the forthcoming B-21 Radar. The Tu-160 lacks stealth capabilities and relies on speed, range, and standoff weaponry for survivability. However, its defenders argue that the aircraft's payload capacity, endurance, and flexibility make it a unique and irreplaceable asset. The cost of modernizing and producing new Tu-160s is substantial, but for Russia, the strategic benefits appear to outweigh the expenses. The aircraft's sheer size and capability allow it to perform a variety of missions, from nuclear deterrence to conventional strikes, reconnaissance, and even electronic warfare. Its presence in Russia's arsenal ensures a layered and diverse strategic force structure, which complicates potential adversaries' planning and response. Looking toward the future, the Tu-160M is likely to remain in service for several more decades, particularly as the development of Russia's next-generation stealth bomber, the PAK-DA, continues. Until that aircraft is ready for full deployment, the Tu-160M serves as the primary long-range bomber in Russia's inventory. It bridges the gap between Soviet-era engineering and modern warfare needs, adapting to a world of hypersonic weapons, integrated air defense systems, and shifting geopolitical dynamics. The symbolism of the Tu-160M cannot be overstated. It is a fusion of past and present, a Cold War giant reborn for the digital age. When it takes to the skies, it does so with the weight of history behind it, yet also with the power and precision of 21st century military technology. Its presence on YouTube videos and military showcases continues to fascinate aviation enthusiasts, defense analysts, and casual viewers alike, all drawn by its immense scale, thunderous roar, and formidable presence. In the realm of military aviation, few aircraft inspire the kind of reverence and intrigues that the Tu-160 does. As it evolves into the V.2 version and beyond, it will likely remain a centerpiece of Russia's strategic air power, an aircraft that both terrifies and captivates in equal measure. Whether viewed on a runway or in high-speed flight across the globe, the Tu-160M remains a symbol of enduring power, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of aerial dominance. Would you like this turned into a script format for a video, or need help creating a thumbnail or description for your YouTube upload?